Have you ever wondered how far someone would go just because an authority figure told them to? In 1961, a psychologist named Stanley Milgram asked a simple question, but the answer would forever change the way we understand human behavior. The question was, would ordinary people be willing to hurt others just because someone told them to? What happened next shocked even the scientists. Here's how it worked. Volunteers were invited to take part in a study on memory and learning. They were told that their job was to test how punishment affects memory. The participant would sit in one room. In the other room was a person, the learner, answering questions. Every time the learner got a question wrong, the participant was told to give them an electric shock. With each wrong answer, the voltage would increase from 15 volts all the way up to a deadly 450 volts. But here's the twist. The learner was an actor. He wasn't actually being shocked. The volunteer had no idea. As the mistakes piled up, the learner began to scream. "Stop! I have a heart condition. Let me out of here. You're going to kill me!" And yet, most participants kept pressing the button. They looked at the scientist nervously, but he simply said, in a calm, firm voice, "Please continue. The experiment requires it." And get this, 65% of participants went all the way to the maximum shock level of 450 volts, believing they were killing someone. So, what Milgram revealed was something deeply disturbing about human nature. Ordinary people can do the unthinkable if they believe they're just following orders. And the most terrifying part, these people weren't evil, they weren't criminals, they were parents, teachers, regular workers, people like me, and like you. Milgram's experiment forces us to face a chilling question. If it were you, how far would you go? We like to believe that we'd be different, that we'd stand up, say no, refuse to obey. But the truth is, most people don't realize they're part of the system until it's too late. Milgram's experiment didn't just test obedience, it held up a mirror to humanity. And what it reflected wasn't evil monsters, it was us. Our desire to please, our fear of questioning authority, our need to belong, to obey, to be good in the eyes of someone above us. So maybe the real danger isn't out there, but inside each of us, quiet, dormant, waiting for the right voice to say, "Please continue." See you in the next episode of Behind Our Minds.